Hi everyone, Alex here, Learning Specialist at Lehigh Carbon Community College. And today I want to talk to you about self-care. What is it and how do we use it? So for this topic, let's ask ourselves 3 questions. What is it? Why is it important? And how do we work it into our everyday routine? Self-care is the process of taking care of oneself with behaviors that promote health and active management of illness when it occurs. Types of self-care include physical, social, mental, spiritual, and emotional. Why are these aspects important? It's important because the work that we do will be there whether or not we are physically present. We want to think about these last aspects because the potential to positively or negatively impact our daily routine are based on some of these. How do we utilize it? How do we weave it into our everyday? If we have a schedule, put it into your calendar. Maybe 15 minutes a day you engage in self-care. We want to create these habits because the whole idea is to avoid burnout. If you want to know about burnout, stick around for the next recording. I hope the last 60 seconds helped you understand a little bit about self-care. And if you need some guidance in terms of adding it to your own calendar, feel free to set up an appointment with a learning specialist and we can get you started with that. Thanks for listening and have a great day.